Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm an international student from Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico. And currently, I'm a first year at the Music Theater Performance program at St. Lawrence College at the Brockville campus. Prepare you for the world of entertainment, from how to audition to a musical to how to work with professionals once you're starring in a musical. Something that really stands out for me is how professional everyone is around here. The teachers are always there to support you. They're really supportive, and they always look for ways to help you grow and be better every day in your different areas like acting, dancing, and singing. They always have feedback that help you develop different strengths and different tools that are going to help you in your career. Another thing that I really love about is the different opportunities that we have or that are presented to us from working with people that are enrolled in the industries or that have been in TV, Broadway, Stratford Festival. Also, there are different opportunities such as auditions. We have different shows where we present ourselves. Everyone is so supportive and so hardworking, and all this hard work kind of pushes you to be better every day and to bring your best work to the table. So it's really helpful. I really love this community, and those are some of the reasons why I love St. Lawrence College.